Bye, babe.
Hey, babe.
We're almost gonna be a year. Well, how many days, babe?
3 days.
3 days, we're gonna be a year. Me and my little poo-poo.
Look at the light. Look at the light.
Oh yeah, we're looking at the lights over there. You see the little fountain? Doesn't look like anything, but like, it's just red light, but like, look, it's a fountain. And we're figuring out how to turn them off. We're locked the little shit. So we're going over there. We're next to the green light. And we're walking here. And someone honked at us.
Someone honked at us. They think we're prostitutes.
Huh?
They think we're prostitutes.
We're looking over there.
Circus light.
And the circus light. Can't see a circus light, babe.
You can't see circus light?
No. Man.
I feel like coming home.
We should record. Start recording when we're like over there, right?
Yeah.
I love you, babe.
Oh, look, he got me this.
Oh yeah, I got her that shit. I had $3 or $3, right? And like I was $3 motherfucking dollars to get that shit.
It's not shit.
Oh, it's a little
It's
cute.
not shit.
If you actually touch it, it's softly.
Ooh.
Okay.
No, dude. No.
I made him. Oh, he's the guy, right?
Yes. You made him gay.
Hey, babe, let's go to the put up. Go. Pull up. Whoever gets there first, the chicken. You're a chicken because you get the first. You're a chicken. You're a chicken because I tell you.
I'm going to record me this stuff.
Okay.
You can't even see, right?
Now you can see.
Oh, I can't move it.
Why?
Wait.
My turn.
Too high.
My turn.
Shut the fuck up. You can't do anything. I love you, babe. Okay, so we stop this because you can't see shit. Daniel and Sherry forever.
Wait. Stop already.
No.
So I want to do something for you. We're gonna do. Yeah, I can't do for you.
No, babe, what is his fault? Okay, there's nothing. Alright, look, circus light. Circus, yes, you could see him.
You do.
A little bit. Oh, no, you can't
they're
see
back
it.
there for sure.
Baby, remember.
What'd you leave our son there?
No, look, he's on the beanie. Oh, he's on the beanie. Baby, you hurt yourself. You're
so scary.
Okay. Adventure. We're having an adventure.
Adventure.
Okay, you can't
Why
see
you say
shit.
adventure, babe?